Hey, it's Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm here in New Orleans East. We have a gentleman who contacted us through homebuyerlouisiana.com. He filled out the information we needed on that form, let us know that he had this property, that he did want to get rid of it. And here I am inspecting it. That way we can help him get out of this situation. So this particular property, he inherited it. He went through the succession process. After living in it for some time, the upkeep is just too much for him to maintain on his own. So yeah, he was able to get a new roof after Ida, but the interior damage is kind of pretty far gone, and he just doesn't have the resources to do it. So we're looking at sheetrock repairs that kind of like look DIY, that definitely need to be redone. From the old roof and the old water damage, we have, mold sightings on the ceiling sheetrock damage from the water that did come in prior to the roof being fixed. Every window needs to be resealed or replaced. You can see here that there's plywood and some old house wrap on there that's been on there for quite some time. So whatever situation you are in, if you have a property that's just, taking too much of your time, effort, and just causing you worry, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, fill that out, get in touch with us. We will be able to help you because we buy houses fast and we buy them for cash. So you don't need to do anything to your property. He's not going to have to fix a single thing. He's contacted us. I am here, and we are going to buy it for cash.